Hi, it's Dr. Saab. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the infotainment screen of your Renault. That'll be part one of this video. Part two of this video, I'll show you how to sort out the lane keeping system not configured message by using the infotainment screen. So you might get that message on your driver's cockpit display. So I'll show you how to fix that. So if you have this style screen, then this video is perfect for you. I have done some other videos such as how to connect your phone to the Renault so you get Apple CarPlay wirelessly. Big thank you to Holcroft Renault Wolverhampton for helping me make this video possible. First thing I'm going to do is show you how to reset the infotainment screen on your Renault. Go to Vehicle here, go to Settings, go to System, and then click on Reset Options. And then what you want to do is click on Restore Factory Settings. So if you have messed up the settings, maybe click on Reset here, click Reset there, and now the car will go back to factory settings, and then you can customize the car again to how you want it. So it might be useful if you've bought a used car, or if you feel you've messed up the whole system, you can do that. Here you can set the language, but I'm just going to select begin because that's English. Next, set your preferences and then click on confirm. Now sign in if you have a Renault account, otherwise click on skip for now. Next, just click on accept for Google services. Now click the next button. Now you can customize the profile, but I'm just going to click on finish for now. To do it later, just go to the profile screen. Now you'll need to review privacy settings, so click on that, and then I'm just going to click on done and then close. That is the end of part one. Now what I'm going to do next is start the car up. So if I push the brake, press the start switch, and that will start the car. And when it says ready, that means now I can drive the car. Now I have got some buttons down here. This one is to switch off the traction control. And then this one is for your lane keeping system. And at the moment you can see it's not configured. You do have to configure it on the screen here. Select this button first to get to the driving settings menu. Then what you want to do is select driving assistance. You see the driving assistance modes as well. Now that is useful. So you can actually set following distance as well. You can switch all of this on if you want to. I would recommend having these systems on because it is designed to keep you safe. And for insurance purposes, they may ask, why do you have these systems off? If they are off, then your insurance could be invalid. You can change how it feels. So you could set it to late rather than early. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys prefer? And what you'll notice is when you change the settings here for the lane keeping assist, and what will happen is when you press the button here, you'll get a little warning saying now the lane system is deactivated. And if I press it again, I can also I can activate it as well. And the great thing is, if for whatever reason you don't want to use these systems, you can switch it off. So you can switch it off just like that, and it'll save those settings, unlike most other cars. Other manufacturers force you to have these systems on. This car doesn't force you to do that, which is a bit different. So it's one of those, for insurance purposes, I'd have those on, only because it's designed to keep you safe. What I would do is just change the settings of how they react. So I would just change them to late rather than early. That is the least intrusive I find when driving cars that have these safety systems. Please subscribe as it helps me and the channel grow and create even more content. Please like this video. Also comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Check out the Renault playlist for more videos related to the Austral, including a full video on what specification this car has. Some of the videos in the playlist may be of other models, but the features should be the same, so hopefully it helps you out too. There is a new thanks feature. If you want to donate to the channel, then please feel free to use this feature, and any money raised through YouTube will be used to buy more equipment. Thanks for watching.